Hi, Henk Akkermans, Supply Network Dynamics, Chapter 5 and clip number 5, Model Exploration, the Capacity Management sector. Okay, remember that virtually all the capacity of the OEM in this case is outsourced, so the decision whether or not what amount of capacity the supplier wants to have is independent basically of the OEM itself. So here's capacity, and basically this is a simple first the negative feedback loop, not a first order material delays, it says here, it's quite wrong, over a certain adjustment time. Now interesting it becomes when we look at desired capacity. Here we have a weight. Most of these suppliers actually also supply the customers of the OEM, so they pretty much know what the real demand is, and historically this was also the case. On the other hand, there is a demand as it's being transmitted to them as what the OEM is perceiving to be the case. This is what actually the OEM believes that is happening. This is what the market, the end market, is telling the suppliers that's happening. And there may be a disconnection, maybe that the whole industry is in a slump, but the OEM is doing great, or vice versa. The weight that they attach to this is beta. Beta is a number between 0 and 1. When it's 1, the supply base fully believes the OEM. When it's 0, the supplier ignores it completely and looks simply at their own notion of what real customer demand is. Notice that if they only follow that, they will not be supplying the OEM all that well, because the OEM will be asking for more. This is the perceived channel demand. Is driven, of course, by the current channel demand, as the same one that the OEM is experiencing, over some kind of a delay. And that's all that's in this model. Normally, this supplier perception delay is set at 6 months, half a year.